everyone, and welcome back to EnglishPodUp. This is the channel where you learn real English for daily life and friendship. I'm Emma, your English teacher.
Hello everyone, I'm Leo, and I'm learning how to speak English confidently.
Before we start today's lesson, please subscribe to EnglishPodUp. Like this episode and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more useful English lessons.
Thank you for supporting EnglishPodUp. It really helps learners like me.
Today's topic is very practical. We are going to learn how to start friendly conversations in English.
That sounds great. I sometimes want to talk to new people, but I don't know what to say.
Exactly. We will learn simple sentences and questions you can use every day. Friendly conversations can be easy and natural.
I'm ready.
Let's start with a simple greeting. You can say, "Hi, how are you?"
Hi, how are you?
Good. Or you can say, "Hello, nice to meet you."
Hello, nice to meet you.
Perfect. Now let's practice asking a simple question to start a conversation.
Okay,
You can ask, "What do you do?" Or, "Where are you from?"
what do you do? Where are you from?
Very good. Now let's practice a short dialogue.
Okay,
Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
hello, I'm Leo. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Leo?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from the United States.
Great. That is simple and friendly.
Exactly. Now let's add questions about hobbies.
That sounds fun.
You can ask, "What do you like to do?" Or, "Do you have any hobbies?"
What do you like to do? Do you have any hobbies?
Good. Now let's practice a short conversation.
Okay.
Hi, Leo. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like painting and reading books. What about you?
I like music and cooking.
That is interesting. Music and cooking sound fun.
Perfect. Now let's practice giving compliments in a friendly way.
Okay.
You can say, "I like your shoes," or "Your bag is nice."
I like your shoes. Your bag is nice.
Excellent. Friendly compliments make conversations warm.
I feel more confident now.
Good. Now let's practice asking questions about daily life.
Okay.
You can ask, "What did you do today?" "How was your day?" "What are your plans for the weekend?"
What did you do today? How was your day? What are your plans for the weekend?
Perfect. Now let's practice a longer dialogue.
Okay.
Hi, Leo. How was your day?
It was good. I went to the park and read a book.
That sounds relaxing. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, it was very nice.
Great. That is natural conversation.
I understand now how to start friendly conversations.
Yes. Now let's help our listeners with a short exercise.
Okay.
Listeners, repeat these sentences. Hi, how are you? What do you do? What do you like to do?
Hi, how are you? What do you do? What do you like to do?
Very good. Now let's practice talking about food and drinks.
That is useful.
You can ask, "Do you like coffee or tea?" "What is your favorite food?"
Do you like coffee or tea? What is your favorite food?
Good. Now let's practice a dialogue.
Okay,
Hi, Leo. Do you like coffee or tea?
I like coffee. And you?
I like tea.
That is interesting.
Excellent. Now let's practice talking about travel.
Okay,
You can ask, "Have you traveled anywhere recently?" "Where do you want to go?"
have you traveled anywhere recently? Where do you want to go?
Good. Now let's practice a short conversation.
Okay,
Hi, Leo. Have you traveled anywhere recently?
yes. I went to the mountains last week.
That sounds amazing.
It was very beautiful.
Perfect. Now let's practice giving your opinion politely.
Okay,
You can say, "I think it is nice," or "I like it very much."
I think it is nice. I like it very much.
Very good. Friendly conversations are polite and positive.
I feel confident starting conversations now.
Excellent. Now let's practice a full conversation for listeners.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Emma. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. And you?
I'm from the United States.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like painting and music.
That is interesting.
Do you want to go to a coffee shop?
Yes, let's go.
Perfect. Now, listeners, practice this dialogue with a friend.
You can also make your own dialogue. Use simple sentences. Ask about hobbies, work, and daily life.
Exactly. Friendly conversations are short, positive, and polite.
Thank you, Emma. This lesson is very helpful.
You're welcome, and thank you to all our listeners.
Please subscribe to EnglishPodUp, like this episode, and share it with other learners.
Keep practicing and start friendly conversations every day.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.